Krishna is the wealthiest man. He's the wealthiest Purusha. That is one of his Aishvaryas, Sadaishvarya Purna. But where does he get his wealth from? And what is his wealth? His wealth is prema, which he gets from Krishna Prema Mai. He gets from Radharani. Radharani gives him his prema, gives him his wealth. And then beauty and fame. Why is he famous? Why is Krishna famous? Because he's connected with Radharani. Is Radha Govinda, Radha Madhav. So he gets his fame from his association with Radharani. She is giving him. So therefore she's Sarva Lakshmi. She's the source of all the opulences. She represents the 6 opulences. Sarva Kanti indicates that all beauty and luster rest in her body. Kanti. And all the Lakshmis derive their beauty from her. Kanti may also mean that she fulfills all the desires of Krishna. Sarva Kanti. All the desires of Krishna rest in Srimati Radharani. So therefore, because Radharani or Radhika fulfills all the desires of Krishna, she's known as Sarvakanti. Krishna enchants the world, but Radharani enchants him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddess of all. Jagat Mohan Krishna, Sanhara Mohini, Ataeva Samastera Para Thakurani. Radharani is a Thakurani. Radharani Thakurani. Krishna is a Thakur, but he's a Thakurani.